Today we're going to be planting potatoes. It's January 17th, 18th?
19th.
19th. And we're going to be planting potatoes. It's early, but these are the old potatoes that we grew last year. I'm going to try to grow all the white potatoes or yellow potatoes and see how they do. You know, we may still get some freezing temperatures, but even if they get nipped back, they'll still come back. And I think they actually can take down to about 29 degrees before they actually get leaf damage. So I've made my row here. Now I'm going to be planting the beans and cucumber stuff on this trellis here, but they'll be growing over here. Just be growing up there. The south is that way, so it should be getting the sun for the potatoes, and then I'll dig the potatoes up really gently like, and it should work. So I'm just going to take these, going to drop them in the ground, and they're 10 inches apart. I've got plenty of them. And like I said, we're going to see how it works. I don't, there's some things you'll say, hey, we're going to do this and it's going to work. And with this, and I don't really know. But, you know, these potatoes are not really worth anything. You're not going to eat them. And I thought about putting them in. I've got plenty of seed potatoes at the house, so I don't really need to plant the in-ground garden. You know, the row, I'm going to be planting 2 rows of potatoes, so I don't need to put them there. I did put some nitrogen down with urea to give them a boost, because a lot of organic matter here, a lot of stuff is going to be wanting to suck the moisture out, or the nitrogen out of the soil, so that could be a problem. But you know, you don't know until you try. Ones like that's not very good because they got too long of a stem on them. It's better to get them before they do, but you do want them to go ahead and be growing out. So, but it's more of, you know, you try stuff, see if it works. I did put one in a container. They're pretty close together. You're just gonna see how they do.
Whoa, sorry. I walking backwards, I fell in a hole.
Actually, it's kind of dangerous to walking backwards around here.
I'm glad it didn't fall down.
Now the reason I'm also planting this is we do have the horse manure here, and you do want to watch out for E. coli and all that, but all your potatoes you're all going to be cooking. So if you cook everything, you're okay. I may or may not bed these up. I like to bed up on my potatoes. But since these are pretty tall anyway, because the reason around here you bed up, I've got a high water table, and you don't want those potatoes to be sitting in water at any time. Even though we get a lot of rain, sometimes that water table will give up to close to the surface. So I like to try to plant my potatoes about that high above it, but this is already that high anyway, so it shouldn't be a problem. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'll keep you abreast of how it works, and see how things go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.